Welcome back to What Is, the channel where we unravel the mysteries of, well, what everything is. Today, we're tackling something literally powering our future, sometimes right from your roof. Ever stared at a shiny black rectangle on a house and wondered, what is that thing doing up there, besides looking suspiciously modern? Today, we are asking, what is a solar panel? At its heart, a solar panel is a device that converts sunlight directly into electricity. Think of it as a super-efficient sun catcher, but instead of just warming your patio, it's powering your blender. Now, for the science bit. But don't worry, no quantum physics homework. When sunlight hits a solar panel, it's not just light. It's a stream of tiny energy packets called photons. These photons are like microscopic superheroes, zipping down to Earth. The panel itself is made up of individual solar cells, typically crafted from a special material called silicon. Silicon, by the way, is a semiconductor, meaning it's not quite a conductor like copper, nor an insulator like rubber. It's got a foot in both worlds, which makes it perfect for this job. When a photon from the sun strikes a silicon atom in the solar cell, it literally knocks an electron loose. Imagine a tiny solar-powered billiard game where the photon is the cue ball and the electron is the 8-ball getting pocketed into an electrical circuit. These freed electrons then start moving, creating an electric current. This phenomenon is called the photovoltaic effect. Photo for light, voltaic for electricity. Basically, light electricity making thingy. So, a solar panel isn't just one big sheet, it's an organized team. You have individual solar cells, those small squares or hexagons. Many cells wired together form a solar module, which is what you typically see as a panel. And several panels, installed together, form a solar array. Each cell usually has a positive and negative layer, creating an electric field. Think of it as a tiny battery, constantly being charged by the sun. You might think solar panels are a recent invention, something from a futuristic movie. But the photovoltaic effect was actually discovered way back in 1839 by a French physicist named Edmond Becquerel. Yes, the guy with the name that sounds like a fancy pastry chef. It took a while for us to put it to practical use, but the fundamental principle has been around for nearly 2 centuries. So, it's less new tech and more classic tech, finally getting its moment in the sun. Why are these sun-catching marvels becoming so popular? Simple, benefits galore. First, they tap into a renewable energy source, the sun. It's not going anywhere for a few billion years, so we're not running out of sunshine anytime soon. Second, it's clean energy. No burning, no greenhouse gases, no air pollution during operation, just silent, beautiful electricity. Third, cost-saving. While there's an upfront investment, once they're installed, you're generating your own power, often dramatically reducing or even eliminating your electricity bills. Imagine telling your utility company, "Thanks, but I've got my own star." And finally, energy independence. You're less reliant on traditional power grids and volatile energy markets. It's like having your own personal power plant without the giant smokestacks. Now, let's address some of the myths and legends surrounding solar panels. Myth number 1. They only work on perfectly sunny days. Nope. While direct sunlight is best, solar panels still produce electricity on cloudy or overcast days, just at a reduced rate. Think of it like trying to get a tan on a cloudy day. You still might, just not as fast. They even work when it's cold, sometimes even better, because lower temperatures improve efficiency. Myth number 2. They're ridiculously expensive. They used to be, absolutely, but thanks to technological advancements and increased manufacturing, costs have dropped dramatically over the past decade. It's like how flat-screen TVs used to cost an arm and a leg, and now you can practically find them in a cereal box. Myth number 3. They're ugly. Okay, this one's subjective. But modern solar panels are sleek, black, and can even be integrated into roofing materials, looking more like architectural features than clunky add-ons. Future tech might even make them transparent, so you won't even see them. Just the magic. So, what's next for our solar superheroes? We're seeing advancements in efficiency, making panels smaller and more powerful. New materials are being explored, like perovskites, which promise even cheaper and more flexible solar cells. We're talking solar paint, solar windows, even clothing that generates power. Soon, everything might just be a giant, silent power generator. So, to recap, a solar panel is a device packed with silicon cells that turn sunlight or photons into electricity, or moving electrons through the photovoltaic effect. It's clean, renewable, saves you money, and makes you look incredibly forward-thinking. And no, you don't need sunglasses to operate it, just a sunny disposition. And that, my friends, is what is a solar panel. If you found this illuminating, hit that like button. It helps us know we're shining a light on the right topics. Don't forget to subscribe to What Is for more deep dives into everyday wonders and mind-bending tech. Got a burning question about solar or something else you want us to demystify? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Powered by curiosity.